Hello, I am Efraín Carreras, licensed engineer. I have dedicated my professional life to the construction, aggregate, and ready-mix industry. Now, as president of Grupo Carmelo, I want to remind you that mining is our main line of business, as we operate 4 limestone quarries throughout the island of Puerto Rico, as well as Carmelo's block and paver plant, mortar plant, and structural panels plant. We are ready to supply your building materials needs for your future projects. Visit our website at carmelo.com, where you can place your order in our e-store. Become our friend on Facebook and Instagram to learn about our webinars and about our products.